Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So let's start with my June reading for 2021 and let's see what we have for Cancerians. Sorry for not uploading May month reading because I wasn't well and I did not have the strength to record. So now we are starting with Cancerians 2021 June. Cancerians are closed, emotionally closed, I feel, this month of June. Reason is that they have been in a very low phase of their life where, they feel that whatever they have given up till now, they have not got it back in their life. Sometimes we give, and then we realize that nothing worked out and nobody appreciated me. So they're a little closed and they are just thinking about themselves right now, right? I feel their aim is to actually be very abundant and reach that, place where they were there in the past. Right now, work wise, see, work energy is not bad, Cancerians. You are not looking in the right direction. I feel you are looking at only your emotions, what happened, what didn't happen in the past. You're feeling depressed, you're feeling low. I want you all to be a little more positive. If you all are positive, if you all are there, mentally uplifting yourself, your work will do well. So please uplift yourself, Cancerians. Do not feel depressed or low because this is going to really affect your work life. Somewhere, I feel also there is a lot of energy of don't say anything to me, leave me alone, that kind of an energy. So I feel that the more you come out of it, the better it will be for you. You have to be very, very positive. First week, same thing. You are feeling very disappointed with life. You're feeling that, nothing has happened. I don't know what is going to happen. Please be positive the first week of June because there are opportunities coming your way. If you are not looking at them, how will you have them? How will you progress? How will you move forward? Because in the first week, it is a block coming from your side. Your disappointments are blocking your work. You have to see the positive side of life and move forward. Because in the second week, you are receiving some money, work, energy is there. 100% it is there. And if you are not looking that way, you will miss the opportunity. So second week will get you money, investments, blocked money coming to you, work moving forward, a lot of stable money energy coming to you. The third week, there is a lot of spiritual journey, or somebody might go on a spiritual journey, or it will be a mental spiritual journey. That's what I feel. Also, I feel in the third week, you are moving away from things. The past negativity or something, I feel, let me just draw another card. Yes, you're moving away from conflicts, from fighting, from jealousy, from whatever you have faced up till now. You're moving away from that. Okay? And moving away is only going to benefit you because in the fourth week, again, you're getting that upliftment of work, money, stability, opportunities. So see how when you change your perspective towards life, when you change your perspective about your money and work, see how changes are coming. When you are feeling sad, your work energy is also going down. You're thinking negative, your work energy is going down. You're feeling depressed, your work energy is going down. When you're thinking positive, immediately your work gets better. You're moving away from conflicts, your work is getting better. So it is up to you, Cancerians. The way you think, it is going to be. June is a month where whatever energy you carry, if you are all the time in the negative mind, negative will happen. If you are all the time in positive mind, positive will happen. Right? So it is up to you. The energy is up to you. The work is up to you. How you want to take it forward. The only lesson I can see in this whole reading is keep your emotions aside. Whatever happened in the past, just let it go. Let the past go away. Say bye to the past. See in a positive direction. Focus yourself. Your work will do well. That's what I feel in the month of June. Because you're getting too emotional about things. Cancerians are emotional people, but you have to understand one thing, that if you want to do well, if you want to earn money, you have to put all your focus on money and positivity. Only then it will happen. Okay, so let's see what we have in your relationship reading. Moving on. Wow. Lot of chakras blocked, I feel. Now, I feel that your sacral chakra is blocked, which is blocking your receiving. You're still holding on to the past energy. Sacral chakra is all about intimacy, guilt, shame. So I feel that you're still holding on to your past relationship, what had happened, what didn't happen. You're holding on a lot of guilt and fear. Okay. I also see heart chakra. I feel that the minute you open your heart chakra, your relationship will get better. So please work on receiving and giving love. If you're a person who's always giving, then please work on receiving of love. Receiving of love also we need to open. Only then we will, uh, see the results. In your relationship, I feel Cancerians, you're waiting to move on. You're waiting to leave the current person and move on in a more positive way of your life, because I feel the current situation, the current relationship of yours is very toxic, or maybe it's not working for you. So if you're deciding to move on, please do not wait, because I feel in the month of June you will take that decision. You will move on. People who are wanting to mend the relationship, if you are wanting to mend, I feel that you need to reach out. Also, I feel you need to reach out to people who might help you to heal. I feel that reaching out is more of that. You're taking a lead in a new relationship in the month of June. You're actually taking a lead in a new relationship, because there's a lot of moving on energy. I feel this moving on energy is of the past relationship, and there's a lot of fear of moving into a new one. So in a new relationship, I feel Cancerians, you are going to take the lead and give commitment to somebody who's been waiting for your commitment, or people who are wanting to get married, find a soulmate. Commitment is coming to you in the month of June. There's a lot of commitment energy here, and you are going to give commitment to somebody new, or maybe somebody you already know. Third eye chakra, see the truth. Only when you see the truth, you will move on. You need to see the truth, right? So I feel in the month of June, you are going to see the truth. You are going to go with your intuition, with your gut feeling, whatever you call it. And it's going to be a very positive energy for you, because what was there wasn't working and was not good for you at all. Okay, so let's see what fairies have to tell you, Cancerians. Okay. Healing, healed, healer. So if you're a healer, something good is coming your way. I think you're healing this situation, whatever situation, money wise, family wise, love wise, every situation of yours is healing. Energy surrounds you and this situation, whatever you are in. So in the month of June, you're healing, Cancerians. You're healing your emotions, you're healing your situation, and you're walking with positivity after that. Okay, that's a beautiful message. And that's all. Please call me for paid appointments only. Please email me for paid appointments only at White Light Healing Center with the er@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, because I go live often on Facebook and I share a lot of information. Share this channel with your family and friends so that everybody can benefit. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye.